Hey guys, 123 the Master 2 here, and this is just gonna be the video on a review on this Cyberman with chest damage. Now, as you may or you may not know, it was my birthday on Wednesday the 2nd of November, and this is the thing I got from my best mate, and I love this. Oh God, I love this figure. It's amazing. And yeah, I'm just gonna get on with the review now. I'm gonna start with articulation. Oh yeah, and it also comes with this Cyberman head that you can close, and you can't put it on the head though. Obviously, the head spins 360 degrees around each way. The arms spin 360 degrees each way, both arms, like that. And this is quite a new figure, so it's still quite stiff. This foot can't move because it's got, you can see that plate there, but this one can't again, but that one can move more. The knees can go like that, like it's running. Can do a bit of Dwayne whilst it works. Yeah, Dwayne whilst works. Yeah. If you watch the Dalek Leader 1 videos, you will know what I mean by doing what works. It's just a thing. Anyway, the chest damage is pretty sick, I think. It's a bit crappy though, the way, if you can see, the thing is, you see on the, there, it still has face damage, so. But the annoying thing is, this, it's just annoying because the head has face damage, and if you're gonna get one, there isn't really much difference. Obviously, I didn't have the packaging, but on it, there's really no point in getting both of them. Suppose you could get both of them, but you know, you may as well only get one. And if I go and get another normal Cyberman, just a minute. I compare the colour. Compare the colour of these two. As you can see, this is a cool feature that I like. That's normal silver. That is burnt, and it's burnt-ish. It's pretty cool, I think. If I just zoom in, that is pretty. That's the normal Cyberman, but I think that one is definitely better. Anyway, yeah, I would rate this figure then. In fact, I haven't done the head, have I? The head is cool, nicely detailed. Inside, you probably can't see it very well, but it's pretty good. It's got all the wires. The head obviously doesn't go on the head, because, you know, if that does happen in the Cyberguard though. You're gonna get the Cyberguard that I love, that figure. And yeah, this is a good figure. I'd rate it a definite 10 out of 10, and it's an amazing figure. And yeah, it was a great birthday present, I think. This it's amazing. So thanks for watching my videos. It's been amazing. Like, favourite, all that stuff, and see you in the next episode.